Hi there, it's art time again. Let's have some fun. Today we're going to be making a paper collage. Now you could use magazine paper, newspaper, gift wrap paper, whatever you have around. We're going to be needing 3 bright colors. I have cartridge paper here, and also some green and perhaps some black. I have a blue sheet of paper for my background. Let's begin. The first thing I want to do is to cut some leaves from this green paper. So what I'll do is fold it roughly, maybe 3. I think I can cut through 4 sheets. So 4 pieces folded over, and I'm going to cut a leaf shape. So I go around like that and around on the other side. So that's 4 leaves with 1 cut. Then I'm going to cut 4 more leaves, again with just 1 cut. So I have quite a few leaves there. I'm not sure if that will be enough. Let's see. I'm going to use my glue, and remember I always say just a dab will do ya. So there I go. I'm just putting them this way and that way at the bottom of my page. Any way you like. It would be nice if I had more than 1 shade of green, but today this is what I have, and that's what I'm using. Good. So it's not bad. Perhaps I could add a few more. But before I go about cutting more, I'm going to make sure I have enough for a stem. Now I don't want my stem to be too straight. So I cut a line and cut close to it again, and that's my stem, just like that. Put a dab at the top, 1 in the middle, and 1 at the bottom. And there is my stem. Now, can you guess what's coming next? It's going to be a bud. A bud. What's a bud? A bud is a small flower. Did you hear that word? Bud. It's a B-U word. Did you see how that just popped up? Okay, let's cut our bud. Again, I'm folding my paper. This time I think 3 is enough. And I'm cutting just the same sort of shape, but this time it's not a leaf. It's a petal. My bud has petals. 1, 2, 3 for my bud. 1, 2, 3. There it is. And I'm going to just put a little bit of green. Now, do you know, I like to work in my garden, but sometimes in my garden I have bugs. Oh, that's another BU word right there. Bugs. So we're going to make a bug, and I'm going to go about using my scissors to cut. Did you hear that word? Do you see how it just popped up? Cut. Now that's not a B word, that's a C-U word. Cut. And I'm cutting my bug. I'm folding my paper again in 2, and I'm going to cut. And this time I'm going to cut a shape that looks like a B. B, a capital B. What sort of bug will I make when I cut my bee? Around and around. Are you good at cutting? Remember, that's a C word. Cut my bee. What bug is that? What does that look like? A butterfly. There it goes again, popping up that B word. Butterfly. Yes, we have made a butterfly. So we put some glue down the middle and paste it right there. That's my butterfly coming to look at my bud. Now, to finish off my butterfly, I am cutting a shape to put down the middle. So just cut and paste. There we go. Now, I'm going to add some more shapes that I've already cut out. And remember, when you want to cut two of the same shapes, you fold your paper. So with one cut, you get two shapes. Two for the price of one. There we go. So, I'm almost finished my bug, which is just a butterfly. We don't usually like bugs in our garden, but this bug is so cute, don't you think? There we go again, another C word popping up. And to finish this off, now to add to our butterfly, I'm cutting two narrow strips of black. And I'm going to use my scissors to pull along and look at that. See how it curls. Curl. Another word popping up. This time it did not take me by surprise. So we have not one, but two curls. And we are going to put these in place right here on our butterfly. There we go. And to finish off, I thought a little more green would be nice down here. Maybe just some leaves on my flower. Right here would be nice. And one more spot of green on that side. And that's my collage complete. So I have a bug, which is a butterfly with curls on my bud. Now, isn't that cute? And I did it all by cutting. Have fun as you cut your very own collage.